Did you know that ancient wellness practices can help men over 50 feel stronger, more energized, and more confident? These time-tested methods focus on circulation, vitality, and overall well-being. Today, we're looking at simple, natural habits that can support men's health, boost energy, and improve daily performance without anything explicit. Section 1. Ancient circulation techniques. Many ancient cultures emphasized movement to improve blood flow. Simple stretching and mobility exercises for the legs, hips, and lower back help keep circulation strong. Regular movement ensures that your body gets oxygen and nutrients where it's needed most. Doing these exercises daily can reduce stiffness, boost energy, and support overall male vitality. Section 2. Herbal remedies and teas. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote health and wellness. Green tea, ginseng, ginger, and hibiscus are known to support circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance energy levels. Drinking a cup daily can complement your movement routine and support long-term health. These natural remedies are safe and simple to include in your day. Section 3. Hydration and nutrition. Good hydration and a balanced diet are key to maintaining circulation and vitality. Water helps blood flow efficiently, while foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and fiber support heart and vascular health. Avoid excessive processed foods, sugar, and alcohol, which can slow circulation. Small daily changes in diet can lead to noticeable improvements in energy and overall wellness. Section 4. Sleep and recovery. Sleep is when the body restores itself. Poor sleep can increase stress hormones and reduce circulation. Creating a consistent bedtime routine, keeping your bedroom cool and dark, and avoiding screens before bed can improve the quality of your sleep. Better sleep supports energy, focus, and overall male vitality. Section 5. Stress management techniques. Stress can affect circulation, hormones, and energy levels. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and light yoga can lower stress hormones and support vitality. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes a day for these practices can have a big impact over time. Stress management is a key part of maintaining overall male health. Section 6. Combining habits for maximum results. No single habit works alone. Circulation, vitality, and energy improve when you combine movement, nutrition, stress management, and sleep. Ancient wellness practices emphasized a balanced approach, and modern science confirms their benefits. By integrating these habits daily, you support long-term male health naturally. So remember, movement, herbal support, healthy food, quality sleep, and stress management are the foundation of men's vitality after 50. These simple, natural practices can help you feel more energetic, confident, and resilient every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite wellness habit, and subscribe for more men's health tips. Start today and your body will thank you.